A very hello and namaste to everyone. I hope everyone knows about Online 70. And who doesn't know, let me tell you. Actually, Online 70 is a platform, in fact, an online platform where we are going to teach around 70 students free your board preparation and your all engineering entrance exam preparations, whether it be your state or whether it be your Indian level. And this was in fact for those guys who doesn't know about it. I hope everyone knows about it. Getting bored with all those posts that are coming in my FB IDs. Online 70, online 70. The reason behind me coming in this video and speaking is to list out those points that those students must have to be part of this online 70. So that is the main motive behind me coming here. So let me list out those conditions and those points that they must have in order to become part of it. The very first one is they should be student of class 11th, that is who have passed right now 10th and going to start their class 11th studies. The reason behind that it is if they are starting their class 11th, we'll have a 2 year period to teach them for their boards and those state level and Indian level engineering entrance exam without your burden, without any pressure. We don't want to give any pressure to them. It should be a freshly started concept so that they understand it and in fact play with it. Because moment when you understand things practically, then it will become a proper way of understanding thing and exam will become much easier to you. So that is our intentions. So we have decided to just take those guys who are belonging to class 11th right now, and along with that, on a rare case, we are going to take those guys who are in right now in class 12th, but the condition is that they should be ready to drop for 1 year for those entrance exam. Why I'm telling that, in start itself I told that we want to give a 2 year period, and if you take 11th and 12th randomly, we have to manage for both of them. In that condition, a pressure will build upon both of them. We don't want that to happen. So that's the reason why we are going to do that. So these two conditions that those students must have. Along with that, they should and must belong to middle class family, poor family also, I mean to say. And don't think that we'll be comparing you with the different people based on money. It's okay to be part of it, but we don't want to sacrifice things just for studies. So that's our intention. So this is the next criteria, and most importantly, you must have an internet connection with a screen touch phone of around 1.5 GB per day. I know that most of them are having that, or maximum people, and I understand that few poor people might not be having those accessibility to mobile phone. So I'm really sorry because our intention is to help almost 70 people whom we are able to do so. So who is able to have that condition can attend that and follow the procedures which our two other mates of online 70 is going to present shortly in few days in the our online 70 group and page that will be uploaded to you. There you can see all the procedures that you have to follow to become part of it. Why we are stopping right now? Because the situation is completely different to let them and become part and start their studies. So we're giving a little bit more time, a stability to start on a good basis. So this was the main motto that I have came here. But apart from this, I have one important thing. As saw, I'm sharing the posters on like larger basis, just sharing. What that is doing is it's creating like nuisance and annoyances on that people's mind. Actually speaking, it's correct in fact. But why we are doing is we are facing a large problem. What is that? Right now lockdown is going on. We cannot hand the posters to people hand to hand and tell them that to pass on to other guys through poster manner. That is not possible for us right now. If that was possible, we would have not shared this advertisement stuff to that large extent. Just one posters, that is more than enough. So that is the main reason behind sharing. Why we are sharing is when we share that post, we expect whoever are there on my FB ID or whoever the member of those group 70 people, share it to their friend, invite them on their group. Why I'm telling is, when they share it to their friend, they will share it to their own friends, and that will create a chain, and everyone will come to know. So by that way, the guy who needs it, he'll come to know about that. So that is how we want things. That is why we are doing all those steps. I know that's not suitable, but we are not left out with any other options. Apart from this, one common problem that has come up with maximum guys is, like, they doesn't know the guy who needs that in their contact. So it's of no use sharing it to them. See, I have repeatedly said in the starting that just like your exams, news came and it is passed on to me. Apart from me, no other guys knows about it. What I do is, I tell it to my friend, he tell it to the other friends. So that way a chain creates and everyone comes to know without writing any messages and all. Directly they come to know. So that is what I want. Even if you don't know, when you share it to your friends, he might be knowing. Even if he doesn't know, when he shared to you, his friend, he might be knowing. Exactly, that is what we want. So, and there are, apart from that, maximum people has understood that and shared our post. I greatly appreciate them and thank them. So keep sharing and keep supporting. And tell me one more thing, there is no interest for us to those things. We are doing just for a help, nothing else. Because being having knowledge, it's better to share it to them so that they can move ahead in their life. I hope everyone is getting. So thank you everyone. So that's it we want to share. I hope you'll understand. Tata, bye bye, good night.